Hello, my name is Trisha Comey. In this video, I will introduce you to the new Rich Content Editor on Canvas. I will share some of the new and useful features you may need when using Canvas as a student. You will learn about the menu bar and toolbar. You will also learn how to edit text. You will learn how to insert an image. Finally, you will learn how to add a recording to an assignment. The new Rich Content Editor displays a menu bar. You can open each drop-down menu by clicking on the words. For example, if you click on Edit, you will open the Edit drop-down menu. You can use the Edit menu options to undo or redo changes, cut, copy and paste content, and select all content. There is also a toolbar, which you can use to adjust font size, add text emphasis, and adjust text and background colors. You will also find most of the menu bar options in the toolbar. Below the toolbar is the text box. You can add content such as text, photos, recordings, and links to the text box, and use the menu bar and toolbar options to add, edit, and format your content. Now I will show you how to add and change text in an assignment. You can change the font size. You can emphasize the text and change the color. You will also find these options in the Format menu in the menu bar. Let's take a look at this on Canvas. When you click on Submit Assignment, the assignment will open a text box. So for this assignment, there are two questions. What is your name and where are you from? The instructions are 1. Type your answers in the text box. 2. Insert a photo of yourself. 3. Make an audio recording answering the two questions. I'm going to type my answers to the questions first. Now, if I want to change the text, first I should select it. I can use my cursor to select the text, or I can use the Edit menu. If I click on the Edit menu, the drop-down menu will appear, and I can scroll down and click on Select All. I can change the font size. I can make my text bold, italic, underlined. I can change the color of the text, or I can change the background color. I can also find these options in the Format menu. If I click on the Format menu, I will see some of the same options here, and if I scroll down, I can see fonts. So one of the new features in the new Rich Content Editor is you can change the font, you can change the font size, you can align the text, or indent or reverse the indent. I can change the color or the background color. And if I clear the formatting, then I go back to the original text. So for this activity, I'm just going to change the size. Now I will show you how to add an image to the content area. To add an image, you can either click the Insert menu or the image icon. Let's take a look at this on Canvas. To add an image to my assignment, I can click the Insert menu and scroll down to Image, and I can upload an image from my computer or select an image that is already saved in my Canvas course. If I click on the arrow next to the image icon, I will see the option to upload an image or select an image that is already saved. Finally, if I click directly on the image icon, this will open up. So if I click on Upload Image, I can find an image on my computer to upload, or I can drag and drop an image from my desktop or from a folder. So I'm going to drag and drop an image, and I'm going to describe the image. And then I will click Submit in the bottom right corner. Once the image appears, you can click on it and make it smaller. And you just drag the corners to make it bigger or smaller. You can see the arrow. Once the arrow appears, you are making it a different size. Next, I'm going to show you how to record a response. To record a response, you should click to open the video recorder. You can find the video recorder in the Insert menu or on the toolbar. Let's take a look at this on Canvas. If I click on the Insert menu, I can scroll down to Media and upload Record Media. I can click on the arrow next to the icon, and same thing, Upload Record, and User Media would be saved in my Canvas course. And if I click on the icon, you can see the option to upload something from your computer or record. When you click on Record, your webcam will open, and you can see if the device hears you by this blue line moving. If it's moving, then your voice is being heard. So if I want to turn my webcam off, I just click Webcam, No Video, and then I'm going to answer the two questions. What is your name? Where are you from? My name is Trisha Comey. I am from San Diego, California. I click Finish and then type my name in the space and save my recording. I can move my cursor to the left and hit Enter to move it to the line below. And now I have completed the 3 parts of the assignment. I typed my answers, I inserted a photo of myself, I recorded myself answering the questions. So when I'm done with my assignment, I click Submit Assignment. Let's review what we covered in this video. You learned about the menu bar and toolbar. You learned about editing text. You learned about adding an image. And finally, you learned about adding a recording to an assignment. If you have any questions, reach out and connect with us. Thanks for watching.